Welcome to the July 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Cobblestone Courtyard. Let's take a look at this month's product. This month's cling stamp features a dynamic radial pattern inspired by handmade cobblestone pathways. The design is full of movement and texture, making it perfect for eye-catching backgrounds and layered mixed media looks. Whether you stamp it as is or play with techniques like embossing, ink lifting, or resist, the Cobblestone Courtyard stamp adds instant energy and depth to your cards. Let's make a card using this month's stamp. Start by placing your stamp in the center of your stamp positioner. Then add an A2 size piece of deluxe smooth white cardstock to the center. Add low-tack tape to the back of your paper and lift it with your top plate of your stamp positioner. Next, choose two coordinating ink colors. I'm using Splash and Blue Raspberry. Start with Splash and ink up several of the circles on the stamp. Try not to ink circles that are directly next to each other. Use a blending brush to soften the edges of where you've added the ink. Then place your top plate over the top of your stamping platform and apply good solid pressure. Lift up your top plate to see where your beautiful ink has been transferred. Use your second color, Blue Raspberry, and ink the remaining circles on your stamp. Use a blending brush to soften the edges, add your top plate, and press. Lift and flip to reveal your fun blended background. Using the same colors, take an ink blending brush and lightly blend over the circles. Once you've ink blended with Splash, do the same thing with your Blue Raspberry. Next, die cut your panel using the third from largest rectangle infinity die. Stamp a large sentiment and a smaller sub-sentiment for your card. I'm using the Friend and Thank You for Being A from the July 2025 Stamp and Cut of the Month. I'm stamping these in intensified black ink. Ink your shadow in a coordinating color. I'm using Pool Party. Stamp a second time to build up the color. What a fun and beautiful stamp. Cut your sentiments out using the coordinating dies. Add foam tape to the back of your card panel and adhere it to the center of an A2 size piece of white cardstock. Add foam tape to the back of your large sentiment and place it towards the center slightly on the right hand side. Add foam tape to your sub-sentiment and place it just to the top left of your large sentiment. Add some aqua enamel dots for fun texture. Add glue to the back of your completed card panel and adhere your panel to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! Such a fun and fresh card to send to one of your friends. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.